It's a pleasure to stand here in one of the newly created spaces in our education building, which was one of the last projects to complete in our latest $62 million worth of improvements. The building was built in 1968 and was one of our fewest academic buildings left that had gone basically untouched since 1968. We resized classrooms to try to make them more accommodating to the size of our classes. We've updated technology. We've created a number of spaces similar to this where students can hang out, they can study, they can break out into different groups, and there's numerous areas throughout the building for that to happen. Likewise, the last project that we did is our music building just to the south here. It too was built in the late 50s, 1958. While it had seen some type of maintenance projects and so on over the years, it still had its original roof from 1958. With the new renovation, we basically gutted the building, rebuilt all the walls pretty much in their own same configuration, but with acoustical treatments in mind. And probably one of the most prized pieces of that project was the construction of a new recording studio within the facility. Also this summer, we're planning on, in about 2 months, we'll be bidding in addition to our Porter Hall Science building. This summer we'll start construction on an addition to the 3rd floor. As well, within that STEM grant, the planetarium will see new seating, new projection system, and screen for the planetarium itself. Well, in an effort to make the campus more sustainable, we've kicked off our phase 2 of our performance contract, which is an energy-related project that pays for itself through energy savings. Currently on top of Plocky Hall is now a 300 kW solar plant that is providing electricity to this campus and has been a great boon to our reduction of fossil fuels. While I'm at North Campus, I may as well go on to our next project that we hope to put in place by the fall of this year. We're introducing and bringing back a baseball program to the institution. So part of that project will be building a baseball complex just north of our soccer lacrosse field and out by the new synthetic turf softball field. Will definitely be one more step to completing what we used to call our North 40, which has really transformed itself in our North Campus renovations. We've had forever one of the most incredible storied track programs in the nation. Coach after coach, national championships over and over again, and our current coach Damon Martin has some 30 Coach of the Year awards consecutively. He's an incredible asset to this institution. And he has come up with a high-altitude training program that commences this summer, where he anticipates about 50 individuals participating, but within 3 years, probably 150 people participating in a summer program specifically related to the high-altitude training. One of our main projects that we'll complete this summer is moving HPE out of Plocky Hall over to our East Campus. We'll be renovating certain portions of Plocky Hall that our Human Performance and Physical Education program currently use in Plocky Hall. Our plan is to take Human Performance and Physical Education program down to our East Campus, where we recently purchased an elementary school from the school district. It's a perfect opportunity for this physical education program to go to new levels and new heights. It has a gymnasium already there, it has classroom facilities, it has office areas, and so our first step in all of that is to be able to bring our campus technology over to that 2-block property just east of our campus. We're very excited at kicking off this next round of projects, and I hope to see you again in the future to be able to show you what those improvements look like.